Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable PartyCast mode on your JBL Tuner free. So this was the option from the Soundcore speakers, but it's called differently and works almost the same as the Soundcore. Here, as you guys can see, we are connecting to the JBL Tuner free. Now, we need to go over here to the icon in the middle, and it's called PartyTogether. It's an option from JBL where you can add speakers. For an example, I'll add this speaker right here. And as you guys can see, it's in the circle of speakers that are connected. So this is how you guys can enable PartyCast mode. You guys can disable it by tapping on this button right here. And now we have successfully left the PartyTogether mode. So you guys can also enable it like that. And as you guys can see, it is here. And we can also disable it. So that's it. This is how you guys can enable it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.